morning. This is Driving with Miles. I'm a state certified instructor. I teach teens and adults. I'm certified in North America, so let's go ahead and get into it. We're going to talk about today making turns and driving on the main road. So I look left and right. I make my hand-over-hand turn. There's a street coming up with a stop sign. My blinkers on 100 feet, a half a block. So I'm going up to the edge. I'm going to stop before the stop sign. There's no stop line here, so you want to stop right at the stop sign. So I've stopped now, but you can't see. You've got to inch forward. So I'm going to go up past the sign. I'm going to take a look. You see me looking left, right, and left. We are the secondary road. The main road has the right of way. So we're just going to be here waiting until it's clear. Whenever you take your test or you're out with your instructor, you just simply wait and relax. You're looking left and right. You're waiting for a gap. If you're not sure what a gap is, you need to look at my content. I talk about using gaps to get you out in traffic. Gap is the space. So it's now clear. My left turn signal's on. I'm looking. I gently accelerate. Don't over accelerate or you'll overshoot your turn. The nearest lane is by the yellow. So I'm gonna go up to this controlled intersection and I'm going to be making a left turn. I'm looking, mirror turn signal, blind spot. I merge into the left turn lane where the gap is open. This is the inside view today. You can't see it, but I have a red turning arrow. Red means stop. So I have my complete stop. I'm behind the stop line. I'm looking, checking traffic. People are asleep in the morning. They're not paying attention. They're not aware. So you as a driver have to be safe. You've got to look around. Don't assume people are awake mentally and emotionally, because you have to be a defensive driver. So we're waiting, we're scanning. I've had a lot of questions about hand-over-hand turns. I'll do another tutorial about that to really explain it. I also had a nice live session yesterday about ADHD and medications and how they affect driving. I will be doing part 3 today. So the light just turned yellow. Doesn't mean anything to us yet, but you want to start looking, you want to start scanning. You want to be aware of the right turn lane nearest to the curb. They have a green turning arrow. Sometimes drivers get confused and they just lunge forward. So I'm just waiting. I still have my red. I have a blinking yellow. So I'm going to proceed up to the middle of the intersection, 3/4 up, and then I'm going to wait for a gap. So I'm here waiting. I'm yielding to oncoming traffic because they have the right of way. And in many places around the world, you have to make left turns. I have a gap, it's clear. I accelerate through my turn and I'm right by the double yellow. That's a pretty good turn. You can hear the motor. So I'm proceeding down this major thoroughfare. The speed limit is 50. I'm at about 45 miles an hour, having good speed control, nice and smooth, and taking my time. Whenever you drive, you want to be smooth. You want to be patient. I'm going to go ahead and stay in this lane, having good speed control. I'm at about 48 miles an hour, looking ahead at the green light, checking my rear mirror every 12 to 15 seconds. This is what your instructor or your DMV tester, road tester will be looking for. Are you aware of cars around you? Do you have good speed control? Are you scanning and looking ahead? Yes, I'm scanning and looking ahead. There's an entrance I need to come into, my blinkers on. You want to get into the middle turn lane just before you need to. You can't drive in the middle turn lane. So I've had a nice little stop. I have a gap and I'm going to turn hand over hand into my turn. So then I turn out hand over hand. I'm going to go ahead and pull in here to this angle parking spot. My blinkers on. I turn hand over hand in and hand over hand out. I'm covering my brake. So let's discuss this. I'm a state certified instructor. I do driver's training tutorials. I do DMV test prep. I need you to subscribe to Driving with Miles. It's been a great, blessed day. Thank you for supporting me. More content is coming. I will be going live later today to talk about how medication interacts with drivers. Thank you and God bless you. Subscribe to my channel.